Hey, it's Sean here, about ready to go to the gallery. Probably gonna do another realism in inktense, so we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Thanks, guys. So today I'm going to do a painting on the Everglades. So it should be really exciting. It's this huge landmass that's all swampland in Florida. So let's check it out inside. So the question of the day is, how large is the Everglades? Question today was how large was the Everglades? It's tropical wetlands in the U.S., obviously in Florida. It begins around Orland with the Kissimmee River, which is the Indian name obviously, and discharges the Lake Okeechobee. So it is a slow moving, it's actually a river, so it's 60 miles long, or 60 miles wide, and over 100 miles long, flowing southward across a limestone shelf. It has a lot of different weather patterns, frequent flooding in wet season obviously, and drought in the dry season. And originally the body of water was called Okeechobee, which means river of grass. Alright, see you guys around next time. Okay, so we just finished up the painting. Let's zoom in here. So we have this nice tree cover. I'm pretty well satisfied with that, and the trees were kind of like this light purple color with dark purple highlights. I tried to add a couple of dark streaks to kind of show that off. The water I'm pretty happy with. It has this dark green that's the overcast from the forest itself, as well as the water. And it has a little bit of moss in the water, so that's really nice at the bottom. So overall, I think I like the painting. It's pretty strong. The trees I'm not super happy with, but they're really strange trees to paint. It's kind of like just hanging vines. I think probably to do this right, you'd probably do it in acrylic. This would be a way better way to do the painting. But anyway, hope you guys like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe below. And hope you share it with your friends. Let me know if you've ever painted the swampland or been to the Everglades. I think I've been once, just a little bit. Alright, see you guys around, thanks. Hey, and make sure to check out Maj Tolentino, my newest subscriber on YouTube. Thanks, Maj.